Ever stared at your Raiz balance and wondered, where did that extra bit of cash come from? Or maybe, why isn't my portfolio growing as fast as I thought it would? You're not alone. Many of us using micro-investing platforms like Raiz have the same burning question: does Raiz automatically reinvest dividends? Let's break it down. You've diligently been adding your spare change, letting those small amounts accumulate, and hopefully, you're seeing some growth. But those little bumps in your balance, are they from market fluctuations, or are they from something else entirely? Dividends are essentially a portion of a company's profits paid out to its shareholders. When you invest in ETFs through Raiz, you're indirectly owning shares in those underlying companies. And those companies, if profitable, often distribute dividends. Now, the key question is, what happens to those dividends within your Raiz account? Here's the thing about Raiz. It's designed for simplicity and automation. And yes, that automation extends to dividends. Raiz does automatically reinvest dividends. This means that when the ETFs in your portfolio pay out dividends, those funds are automatically used to purchase more units of those same ETFs. Think of it like this: rather than receiving a cash payout that sits idle, Raiz puts that money straight back to work for you. This is a powerful concept known as compounding. By reinvesting dividends, you're essentially earning returns on your returns. Over time, this can significantly boost your portfolio's growth. But why is this important? Well, for starters, it removes the hassle of manually reinvesting dividends yourself. You don't have to track when dividends are paid, calculate how many extra units you can buy, and then execute the trades. Raiz handles it all seamlessly. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, automatic dividend reinvestment allows you to take full advantage of compounding. The more units you own, the more dividends you receive. And the more dividends you receive, the more units you can buy. This snowball effect can dramatically increase your long-term returns. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if my dividends are being reinvested? Raiz provides detailed transaction history within the app. You can review your past transactions to see when dividends were received and how they were used to purchase additional units. It's also worth noting that the frequency of dividend payments depends on the specific ETFs in your portfolio. Some ETFs pay dividends quarterly, while others may pay them annually. This means the impact of dividend reinvestment may vary depending on your chosen portfolio strategy. Ultimately, the automatic dividend reinvestment feature in Raiz is a significant benefit for those looking to build wealth over the long term. It simplifies the investment process and maximizes the power of compounding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.